Hello, I'm Kersty McCourt. I'm working for the Open Society Justice Initiative in Brussels, and we've been here the last 3 days for the Fundamental Rights Forum. It's great to see that the issue of civic space and the threats to civil society across Europe have really been addressed during this forum. And also we've looked at civil society about how we are defending civic space and the strategies and actions that we're taking. As the Open Society Foundations, we've been working a lot on Hungary over the last months and years, where over the past 6 or 7 years you've seen a systematic breakdown of the rule of law in Hungary, starting with the attacks on the judiciary, on the media, and on civil society organizations. And we've encouraged the European Union to take legal action, for the Parliament to vote, which they did now a couple of weeks ago on the Article 7 report. And last week, we as the Open Society Foundations, we filed a case in the Hungarian Constitutional Court and at the European Court of Human Rights on violations of Article 10 and Article 11 on freedom of expression and freedom of association.